Hey, what's up YouTube? It's John Miro back again with another video. The show that you come for the news, but stay for the fun. I hope that everyone's having the best day ever. You know how we like to do it on this channel. If you're new to this channel and want to be a part of this family, consider subscribing. We don't charge you nothing. It's free and we'll even claim you. So I'm happy to say that after 1 month of grinding non-stop, we have hit our 500 subscriber goal. Yeah! So you know what that means. It's time for another giveaway. Many of you have already said it in the comments below. And yes, I think it's time we go for 1,000 subscribers. So if we can hit 1,000 subscribers, I will turn around and give one of you lucky subscribers out there $100. Yes, $100. You can do a whole lot with $100. I think for this video though, we're just gonna keep things simple. No need to get too crazy. All you have to do to qualify is number 1, be subscribed. Number 2, comment the word 1,000, here we come. Man, that sounded so good. I want to say it again. 1,000, here we come. That's it. That's all you have to do. And now it's time. The time that you've been waiting for someone to get paid. So the lucky winner for the 500 subscriber giveaway is, drum roll please, and the winner is Reggie Kasana. I apologize, bro, if I didn't pronounce that right. I'm sorry. Much love, but thank you for being a part of the family, for your love and support. It means the world. Thank you guys so much for your support to this channel. I read and I reply to every comment that you guys make. Thank you guys so much for taking the time to do that. So spread the word about this giveaway. You know, I might see how many referrals I could get on this giveaway. Maybe you could say, hey, I was referred to by so-and-so, and maybe that might boost your chances. I can do that in the YouTube comment selector. I wonder, let's see how that works. Thank you guys for being a part of this family. Whether you're an aunt, uncle, brother, sister, or crazy cousin, you're all special to me. I hope you guys have the best day ever. Until next time, I'm John Miro. Peace.